Hello, I'm Darielle Snipes with the CMSD News Bureau. Welcome to CMSD 360, a look at news happening around the district for the week of October 1st. October is a busy month for recognitions and initiatives. First, it is National Principals Month. Please take time during the month to show your appreciation for our school building leaders and the significant role they play in our district's success. If you recognize them on social media, please use the hashtag #ThankACMSDPrincipal or celebrate CMSD. October is Ohio College Application Month. This is a great time for seniors to start the college admission process by submitting at least one college admission application this month. Ohio College Application Month is an initiative by the Ohio Board of Regents and the American College Application Campaign to help graduating seniors navigate the college admission process. A fundamental part of that process is financial aid and scholarship awareness. Say Yes to Education and free application for federal student aid applications, also known as FAFSA, open for seniors on October 1st. After seniors and their families fill out college applications, they can start the process of filling out financial aid forms. For more information, go to clevelandmetrosschools.org/sayyes. Monday is National Custodian Appreciation Day. Make sure to show some love to CMSD's environmental service specialists. These men and women work hard to make sure our buildings are clean and safe. And for that, we thank you. This week is also National Customer Service Week. This year's theme is You Make the Magic Happen. This is a time to recognize the essential work of customer service delivery and the professionals in our organization who are essential to the work of all team members, from teachers to therapists, receptionists, to call center specialists, bus drivers, safety officers, to secretaries. At CMSD, we are all educators, and all are essential to the organizational health and progress of the district. For more information on how to celebrate, go to clevelandmetrosschools.org/customer experience. Tuesday is Manufacturing Day, presented by Rockwell Automation and Swagelok at Great Lakes Science Center. CMSD students will have the opportunity to learn more about the industry and all the career possibilities in manufacturing. Local manufacturing companies participating in the event include Lincoln Electric, the Temkin Company, and Sherwin-Williams. There will be hands-on experiments, presentations, and panel discussions. Manufacturing Day is a nationwide effort typically held in early October to show students what the world of modern manufacturing is all about. Walking is one of the best forms of exercise. That is why Thursday is International Walk to School Day. Students are encouraged to walk to school to raise awareness about the benefits walking has on one's health, community, and environment. On Thursday, CMSD CEO Dr. Warren Morgan's Student Advisory Committee will hold its first meeting of the academic year at Windows on the River starting at 10 a.m. The committee will focus on answering Dr. Morgan's questions from his listening tour about what is working in the district and what needs improvement. The other question the students may enjoy answering is what they would do first if they were CEO. Also on Thursday, the Senate League Tennis Championship will be held at Jefferson Park on Cleveland's west side beginning at 1 p.m. For a list of other games happening this week, times, and locations, go to clevelandmetrosschools.org/Senate League. On Friday, the Get More Opportunities Fund Student Allocation Board will meet to approve $400,000 in grants at East Professional Center. This is an exciting time for the district as high school students from across the district decide how philanthropist Mackenzie Scott's $20 million unrestricted gift should be spent. To date, students have approved over 100 grants totaling $1.5 million. For more information about the grant, how to apply for funding, or for a list of frequently asked questions, go to clevelandmetrosschools.org/CMSD Get More Opportunities Fund. On Friday, there'll be no school for pre-K and kindergarten students. This will be a professional development day for their teachers. The Executive Grill is scheduled to hold a fundraiser on Thursday, October 12th. The grill will team up with Crazy Comforts, a catering company owned by CMSD chef Jonathan Gardner, to give diners an experience like no other. The meal will consist of a 3-course offering that includes a salad and either a chicken, salmon, or cauliflower steak entree, plus a dessert. The tickets are $45. The money will be used to take culinary students on a trip to the Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park, New York. To make reservations for this fundraising event or to eat lunch on Wednesdays or Thursdays, go to clevelandmetrosschools.org/grill. Well, this week's CMSD shout out goes to the beautiful relationship that is formed between the John Marshall chess team and the Cleveland Guardians players. The two teams went head-to-head this past week to play chess, not ball, inside Progressive Field. Guardians Stephen Kwan, Tristan McKenzie, and Bo Naylor competed against some of CMSD's best chess players. From the pictures posted on social media, it was clear that the players were enthralled on earning checkmates. How super cool is it to play chess at a Major League Baseball stadium? This matchup even caught the eye of the MLB social media staff as they tweeted about the chess showdown on X, formerly known as Twitter. These two teams of CMSD scholars and professional baseball players have been meeting up from time to time since 2021 to play chess at the ballpark or at local libraries. What an experience! Now, we want to give a shout out each week, so please take pictures of your students, staff, or something amazing happening at your school and tag Cleveland Metro Schools on social media, and definitely use the hashtag CMSD shoutout. We want to celebrate you. And just a reminder, CMSD CEO Dr. Warren Morgan will host another town hall meeting that is open to the public on October 9th at the Near West Theater, located at 6702 Detroit Avenue. Please pre-register at clevelandmetroschools.org/listen and learn. You can also find out more about Dr. Morgan's Listen and Learn tour on that site. Well, stay connected with what's going on in the district by downloading the CMSD app or following CMSD on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Well, thanks for watching CMSD 360. Have a great and productive week.